Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a chromosomal disorder. I will explain line to line NCERT. Here we see chromosomal disorder caused due to the excess or abnormal or absence of one or more chromosomes. First we see caused due to excess. Why you take example, normal human body has a series of chromosomes like arrangement 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here we see excess means another extra chromosome is present, or abnormal means 8th position chromosome changes to 9th position, 9th goes to 8th position. Absence means this 5th chromosome is absent on the normal human body. That is one or more chromosomes, not a fifth one only. There is two also absence. That is only chromosomal disorder. It is like that. There is chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorders. It is two important terms: aneuploidy and polypolidy. Aneuploidy occur in animals. Polypolidy occur in plants. These occur at a time of cell division. Aneuploidy is the failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division or of a cell cycle. Result gain or loss of a chromatids, that is aneuploidy. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division result in increase the whole set of chromosomes in organisms, that is polypolidy. I will explain in an easy way how it is. But actually in cell division what happen, first stage occur prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, then telophase. Then what happen? Cytokinesis also occur. Here we see in what happen, failure of segregation of chromatids. Actually in prophase something like that in a nucleus, that is chromosomes, chromatids are arranged. That what happen in metaphase or anaphase, there is one chromosome or 2-3 chromosomes are there. Here what happen, actually gain or loss of a chromatids, 1 2 3 are there na, becomes 4, 1 2 3 4 becomes 4. That is only failure of become result gain or loss of one chromosome, become 2. Loss of chromatids, 3 chromatids are there. Prophase. Metaphase what happen, 2 chromosomes only there, means loss. Then 3 chromatids are there, becomes 4 chromosomes. Another extra chromosomes will appear in a metaphase, that is in a cell division, result in gain or loss of chromatid, that is aneuploidy. That is polypolidy. What happens, failure of cytokinesis after telophase, that is telophase what happens, there is a complete arrangement of chromosomes like that. Okay, cytokinesis means that is there is a division of cell. In that time what happened, there is a cell division of cell. This chromosome goes to another cell and this chromosome goes to another cell. In that there is no cytokinesis will appear. In normal human body it will become like that, 1 1. In polypolidy phases what happen, it not at all divided, but it will become there only. As a result what happen, increase in a whole set of chromosomes, increase only. One chromosome is there, is another chromosome is there, they will occur in cytokinesis. So not at all it will go, then it will become result in increase of whole set, become 2 sets are there in telophase, that we called polypolidy. In aneuploidy only increase of or loss of only one chromatid, this one loses or this one gain. In polypolidy increase of whole set of a chromosome, this one this failure, that is failure of cytokinesis. Here we see humans have 46 chromosomes in every cell, that is 23 pairs are there. That is 22 pairs are the autosomal chromosomes, and that is 1 pair is the sex chromosome. Here we see what is the monosomy. Monosomy means 46 chromosomes are there already, and actually minus I will take lack of one chromosome become what, 45. Lack of one chromosome become 45 due to what happened, that is 22 pairs are there, 23 pairs are there, become 22 pairs are there, and then will become one not pair, that is one absence is there na, that is one not pair, that will become monosomy. Triosomy means 46 are there, and plus addition of one chromosome will become what? 47. That is already 23 are there. In 23 what become 23? Actually 23 pairs are there actually, and then one pair, one extra chromosome is there, one extra chromosome is there. And tetrasomy what happen? 46 also are present, and addition of two chromosomes, that is become 48. This one 23 pair normal human body, that will become what? 23 pairs are there, and one pair will become, that is 23 means 46, and one pair means some 2 become 22 plus 28. The 23 are there means 46, and then one extra chromosome 47, then 22 pairs are there means 44, then one not pair means one is present, that is 45. That is monosomy, triosomy and tetrasomy. Here we see NCERT, they will only given about 3 chromosomal disorders. First one Down syndrome, second one Kelinefelters syndrome, third one Turner syndrome. We detailed discussed about Down syndrome now only. Down syndrome is the chromosomal disorder. This one is described by the Langdon Down in year 1866. Actually his name only tells the syndrome, that is Down syndrome, Langdon syndrome, Down. Then it is caused by the presence of additional copy of chromosome number 21, that is triosomy 21. Means in humans for 23 pair chromosomes are there na, that is in 21 number of 21 chromosome, that is additional one extra chromosome is there, that is become triosomy 20. And here I will explain there. Actually triosomy means 46 chromosomes also there, there is addition of one chromosome, that will become 47. That is in triosomy 21 means in 21 chromosome only that will become another extra chromosome will present. Here we see how affected individual have means how you detect that the affected individuals have short saturated with a small round head, means small saturated means small saturated, small sized with small round head, that is small round head which is attached to the totally, that is collar bones there, and furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. Furrowed tongue means folded tongues, and partially open means small opening of, that is mouth, and wrinkle means what is that? Folding. That is palm is broad and palm creases. Palm is broad. Not here we see palm creases means palm broad means a full width, and palm creases means many lines are there without any arrangements. And the physical and psychomotor and mental development retard means it is physically and mentally, and it is physiologically is not at all complete development is not there. That is here we see that is which affected individual. Here we see 21 chromosome, that is arrangement of chromosomes. Here we 19, 20, 20, 21, there is a 3 chromosomes are there. Then we go to Kelinefelters syndrome. One second chromosomal disorder is Kelinefelters syndrome. Then it is caused due to presence of additional copy of X chromosome with a karyotype of 47 XXY, means addition of copy of X chromosome, that is a sex chromosome, that is one pair is there na, in that addition of another X chromosome, like that 46 are there, in that 23 pairs 22 pairs are autosomes are there, autosomes. Then in that one pair is there na, in that one pair XY is there, in XY is there. In Kelinefelters syndrome what happen? XXY, that is addition of X chromosome, that will become happen. That is why karyotype become 47, that is 46 are there, addition of this one becomes 47 with sex chromosomes are XXY. Individuals have overall masculine development, that is feminine characters, means masculine development means feminine females characters are there na, which are developed here. Feminine character, 1 minute. Masculine development, feminine characters, that is breast developments, and some female characters will appear in that Kelinefelters syndrome individual. The breast development in males is called gynecomastia, and that individual is are the sterile, but his penis is erected, but he is not able to produce sperms. That's why he is sterile. Additionally, Kelinefelter syndrome occurs in males only. That is become XY is there na, that is addition of X chromosome. That's why X chromosome will appear only in the feminine character, that is females, that will becomes to feminine characters. Turner syndrome, it is also chromosomal disorder, that is third one, that is caused due to absence of one X chromosome, that is karyotype 45 with XO, that is actually karyotype, this one actually correct, that is 45 with XO, that is caused due to absence of one X chromosome. That is, I will say na, 23 pairs are there, that is 22 pairs are autosomes, that is in females what happen, XX chromosomes are there. In Turner syndrome what happen, this X chromosome, that is absence of one X chromosome, that is absence of one X chromosome, that will become XO type, that is Turner syndrome. That is actually it is occur in females. Kelinefelter syndrome occurs in males, and Turner syndrome will occur in females. That is XX chromosomes, one absence of X chromosome, that is become XO chromosome. That is females are sterile one, that will become rudimentary of ovaries. Rudimentary of ovaries means that is ovaries are present, but ovum is not at all development and not at all produced. That is become ovum is not developed or produced na, that would become what happen, lack of secondary sexual characters, like sexual thoughts are there, that is pubic hairs and sympathetic hairs, and development of what's breast, that will become down only, that is Turner syndrome. Actually, Down syndrome is only occur in triosomy 21, that is autosome chromosome. That is Kelinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome occurs in sex chromosomes. That is one pair is there, na? Then there is occur. That is actually in for males what happen, XY is there and XX is there. In Turner syndrome, that is absence of one X chromosome. Kelinefelter syndrome, that is presence of one X chromosome. Then what will we see in difference, we means how to remember this one. Kelinefelter syndrome, that is Kelinefelter syndrome is there, no, word is big is there, that way XS chromosome additional of one X chromosome. In Turner syndrome what happened, that is word is small is there, compared to Kelinefelter syndrome, that will become XO. We take XO, that is absence of one X chromosome. Like that you have to remember. That is chromosomal disorder means absence or abnormal or excess of one or main chromosome, that is the main terms, and polypolidy. Then what happen, that is difference we take occurs in animals, polypolidy occurs in plants. In humans 22 pairs, one pair X chromosomes, that is monosomy, triosomy, tetrasomy are important, and their explanation is there. And these are the chromosomal disorders we can see in the NCERT line. There is apex and how it is caused, which chromosomes. It is all about what chromosomal disorder. If you want, if you get any problem, you can comment me, I will answer you. If you means you can subscribe me first, you can subscribe my channel, then you get all the notification. When I upload the video, you can get all the notifications. Like that I will make full detailed information about PUC. Thank you, and click the like button also, and subscribe my channel please, if you get more knowledge. Thank you.